Okay, hello. My name is Puven Raj, and today I would like to present my assignment 2 for the subject Digital Photogrammetry SBEG 3573. So let's see how it goes. First of all, the introduction for digital photogrammetry. First of all, I would like to tell about this assignment. This assignment, we were tasked to process and drone images using Pix4D. So there's a few questions that I would like to answer. First of all, introduction for digital photogrammetry. Photogrammetry is an art and science technology to acquire information of physical objects and environment through the process of recording, measuring, and interpretation of photograph, image, pattern, and electromagnetic energy and other phenomena. Next is Phantom 4 Pro drone. This is the drone that we use to capture the data that we will be using to process in this assignment. The DJI Phantom 4 Pro is an fantastic drone that has been engineered for a creative mind. Drone is equipped with several intelligent features such as omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, autonomous flight modes, and smart battery and DJI long-range transmission technology. And after that, this is the software that we will be using for Pix4D. Pix4D is a market leader in photogrammetry software technology. The product enables the digitized reality and measure from the image taken from the planes, drones, photos, or any other camera. And they do realize photogrammetry, so you can scale up the unleash the power of the imagery. So these are the software tools and other things that we're using. Next, we will jump to the methodology and the procedure that we use for this assignment. Okay, now we are in the interface of Pix4D, and first of all, we need to name our new project. So we name it assignment 2. And then we need to pick the which folder that we would like to save. I already created a folder in the desktop using my name, so we will save it there. Okay, next, then we need to add our images that we capture using Phantom 4. So you can add all the images by dragging them, but I would like to add a directory where there's a folder where I have saved all the pictures. So if I choose the folder, which is this, or you can see all the images are loaded to the Pix4D software. Then we press next. This is where we can see all the pictures and their group, and also the latitude and longitude and the altitude. And also we remain them in the default setting, for example the positioning and the coordinate systems. And we can proceed to next. And yeah, as I told before, we are using the default coordinate systems. Next again. Okay, yeah, here comes the main part. So today's task, we were given the task to produce Automosaic, Orthophoto, DSM, and also DTM, and also a 3D model, 3D PDF of the whole project. So we will using the standard processing setting that will give us the output of Automosaic, DSM, 3D mesh, and point cloud, and also we also get DTM. There's an additional task there. We no need to start the processing first because we are needed to tweak a bit of our processing methods. So you can click finish first, then go to processing options. This we can leave it to full, so we would like to process in the full and the maximum quality that we can get. And yeah, image scale, it depends on how high the image scale that you want. I'm using half the scale, so you can use the original scale or even quarter. And yeah, and for the DSM, the GSD is 1. You can increase it or decrease it, it depends on you. And using filtering type is sharp. And yeah, in the additional settings, we are not going to change anything much. yeah, I think, yeah, in the point cloud and mesh, go to 3D texture mesh, and don't forget to press 3D PDF. That's one of the requirement for this assignment. We need the 3D PDF for this whole assignment of the mesh. Yeah, and that's all. You can press OK, and now comes the fun part. You can process it all together, or even you can process it by batch. So for the sake of the assignment, I'll show you how it's done as batch, but you will not be seeing the whole process. I'll be cutting it. Yeah, so starting the first process where the images will get aligned, and yeah, you will try to match all the images. Okay, that's all. Okay, now you can see at the screen after our alignment, you can see at the ray cloud setting, all of our pictures have been aligned. There was not much errors. So yeah, this is our output after the alignment. So now we can proceed to go to projects, and we can do GCP and MTP management. We like to make sure the positioning of our orthophoto is correct. So we already have a GCP file in this computer. You just need to upload it. So press import GCPs. Browse and go to our saved folder. Yeah, GCP final. Press OK. Yeah, now you can see all the GCPs for this site. So now we will be using a basic editor tool for this. At basic editor, we can pick the dedicated images where our mark is set, and place our GCPs at there. So we need to repeat this process for all our GCPs and CPs. Alright guys, after doing all the GCPs and CPs, we can continue our process to the second step, which is creating point cloud and mesh. But I would like to just continue both of these process together, so we'll get our end products, and we can see how the products have come, and I will show you after this. Okay guys, as you can see in the screen, you can see the final output. This is the mosaic orthophoto of our site. Yeah, I can zoom it for you a bit. Yeah, you can see Majid UTM, Fabu, library, UTM library, and so on. And next we can see our digital surface model of our site. Yeah, this is the digital surface model of our project. And at last, we can also see our terrain model, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, digital terrain model. So this is the digital terrain model. The red, the more red areas are the highest peaks, and the blue areas are the lowest parts. I think that's the main three outputs that we got from this assignment, but there's also another output that was required, which is the 3D PDF. I've opened it, the 3D PDF. So yeah, the 3D PDF, I think most of you know how 3D PDFs work. You can just rotate it, and yeah, it will work the same as it's actually a dense cloud, but in a PDF form. So we can see our whole site in a 3D form, so it's quite cool. Yeah, I think that's all for the methodology. So I think we can just continue straight to our conclusion. Yeah, I think as conclusion, I would like to say this assignment was like a revision for me to remind me how to do photogrammetry processing using Pix4D, and it was fun. And yeah, and there should be more exercising using more newer data and different softwares and different tools, so students like us can improve our soft skills. I think that's all from me. Thank you, and don't forget to like. I guess be posting this video in my YouTube channel. That's all. My name is Puven Raj. Thank you.